Hello, Shailla.
Hello Vika,
What are you doing now?
I'm reading recipe book.
So, what recipe do you read?
I read steamed sponge cake recipe.
So, can you tell to me how to make steamed sponge cake?
Of course. First, prepare the ingredients: 100 grams wheat flours, 5 eggs, 50 grams cocoa powder, half can condensed milk, 100 grams sugar, 1 teaspoon softener cakes, and 200 grams butter. And the first step, put the eggs, sugar, and softener cakes and blend them using high-speed mixture to make a fluffy dough. After that, melt the butter at a hot temperature. Mix the cocoa powder, flour, and milk. Pour the melted butter. Blend the entire dough and put it into the butter pan. Steam for 30 minutes on medium heat until cooked well. The last step, after the 30 minutes, steamed sponge cake is ready to serve.
Wow, that's nice recipe.
How about you? Do you have any recipe?
Yes, I have. That is fried rice.
Can you tell me how to make fried rice?
Yes, of course. The first, we have to prepare ingredients such as 3 cups cooked rice, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 small white onion, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 cup frozen peas and carrots, 2 eggs, and then the last 2 chopped of green onions. And the first step, we had a large scale or wok to medium heat, and then pour the sesame oil into the bottom. Add the white onions, peas, and carrots, and fry until tender. And the second step, slide the onions, peas, and carrots to the side, and pour the beaten eggs onto the other side. Using a spatula, scramble the eggs, and once cooked, mix the eggs with the vegetable mixture. And the last step, add the rice to the veggie and eggs mixture. Pour the soy sauce and stir, and fry the rice and vegetable mixture until heat through, and combine. And add chopped green onions if desired.
It's not like so delicious.
Yes, let's we make together.
Okay.